You want to say something to the camera? You can see yourself.
Yeah, I see myself. What do you want me to say?
What's the date?
I don't know what the date is.
March 13th.
Oh.
Today's Wednesday, March 13th, 2024.
That's right.
Where are we? We're at the top of the Blackcomb Gondola.
That's right. Oh, look, there's a Peak2Peak.
We're getting ready to do expressway. We'll come back here and eat lunch. Is this it? On the ski lift up called Seventh Heaven. That's a trail there. We're on the Blackcomb side. I think that peak over there is Blackcomb. Stop recording. Peak2Peak Gondola.
And all these swirly things that have to make it stronger. And just keep going. And then there's climbing on it with the thing.
No, I'm not how they connected, how they got like connection there. I understand how they made it.
Just get some foxes.
Alright, we just got off Peak2Peak Gondola. We're on Whistler Mountain here. Good. Deja vu.
Get a picture without you closing your eyes.
I just told the folks at home that.
What?
Stop recording. This is the way back to our condo. We just kind of skied down that same slope yesterday, and then we go back here. This is where we're staying. I don't think any of these is our actual unit, but it's in this building here. So we kind of pole vault our way back, just like Joshua was doing. Now Joshua calls his little stick, he calls his pole, his little helper. All right. So, another one in the books. Today's Wednesday. Well, we all got one more day. Skiing tomorrow. And here we are. There you go, good job. All right, we'll help you up there, Ace.
I don't need.
Okay. You got it? Come on. There you go, hot shot. Okay.